Okay, hello. Welcome back to another Jurassic World television video. One second. After you're seeing the settings, checking my microphone. You probably aren't, but if you are, then I apologize. Wait. Okay. My microphone is working. My microphone is working. Okay, my microphone is working. Okay. We're gonna come back onto this show, or episode 11. I tried to record another episode 11. Didn't work out. Anyway, in episode 10, you remember, everyone got sick, I think. And then everything died. Now in episode 11. And everything is gonna be okay. So, yeah. What's low health? This stupid Draco Rex.
Understood.
Let's see. We have some pretty good customers. Check up on my king. Also, I'm pretty sure I had some fossils. Hello. Yeah, I had some fossils. I think I already dug them up. Anyway, I'm gonna go over here. Let's see. I wanna see if I dug them up in a laboratory, because I had 24 DNA of it. Nope, I didn't dig them up. Well, that's okay. Anyway, that should be a carnivore. I wish this was a carnivore. Anyway, let's get back to this, whatever. Probably gonna get rammed. Anyway, that guy is being helped. Cut through his butt. Anyway.
No diseased dinosaurs detected.
Yay! No disease. No disease dinosaurs! Great! Yay! For that. No one cares. Honestly, I need more buildings. I don't know why I just said that, but I think I want more buildings. No. I'm not going back to either Merida or whatever, or this. No, I'm not going back for this either, or this. Maybe I'll go back for that. Maybe. No. Not going back for that. I'm not going back for that because I don't even have that island yet. Anyway, they dug it up. See what I got. I got something new? Oh, it didn't. No. Extract after this is done. Anyway, let's go check on the big boy. Yep, he's fine. I think he loves it, actually. Anything he can drink. Well, I just need 3 stars. I want 3 stars. And Kylosaurus. Let's check on our other big boys that can easily be defeated by that big boy. These big boys. Yep, they're fine. Let's go check on these big boys. Good plant. Yep, they're fine. Also, I want to see if they have a good view. Tilt it to the right. Ugh. Tilt it to the left. Ugh. They're pretty good. Also, dude, I would totally do that. Cause she's gonna probably give me a reward for it. Probably. But I have 2 dig teams. Since when? Oh yeah, I researched another one. Who died? I will never forget you. Sleeping. Well, I think we won. Probably. I'm pretty sure we beat the game now. I'm just kidding. But anyway, see where the place is. Not where the place is. Cosmetic enchantments. Oh yeah. Then see, look. If I do these, then I get her Saurus. So I have Wait, what am I supposed to do for you? Some Mesosaur with a 108 lifespan. I'll do you later, stupid feeder. Anyway. I'm gonna forget a genome. What I want? You go. Your research. I want this. Could possibly get it. This I easily get. This I am soon gonna get. This I need to wait for. This I need to wait for big time. This I could soon get. This I could get soon, but probably not so soon. Don't expect it. This I can get right now. This, definitely not soon. This I can get kind of soon, probably. This I can get really soon. This I probably am not gonna get that soon. This I really want, so I want to get it soon. This is probably gonna get it soon. This I hope I get soon. And then this, I don't even know what it is, but I hope I get that soon too. This, I want to get it. This, I want to get it. This, I don't really care about that. This, I really want to get the Giga. This, I don't really care. Just never heard before. This, I so want to get. And I need that for a mission. This is really want to get. This I don't really care about. This, wait. Oh, cool. Yeah, sure, I care about that. This I care about. This is kind of cool. And this I do care about so much. I want it. This I love. Give me it. But I need a complete return to Jurassic Park missions for the copy. Yes, you probably will see me get that pretty soon. This I've already have. Let's have both of these. Pretty cool. Visa formation. Egg Mountain. Visa formation. I don't know why I don't have it yet. It was over here. I've never spotted it over here, so it most likely is not. Because it isn't. Up here, up here, over here. Where is that? How the Nigersaurus is there? Nigersaurus. Where is it? Where is that dumb little thing? Well, see you guys next video. Bye.